Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to transfer a Chatgpt conversation to another account. Right now, Chatgpt does not have a built-in transfer chat button between accounts, but you can still move conversations manually in a few simple ways. Firstly, log into your original Chatgpt account and open the chat you want to transfer. Highlight the full conversations or important parts. Then press Ctrl+C, then log out and sign in with the account you want to get the chat to. Start a new chat. Pass the conversation and press and send if you want Chatgpt to continue from it. Just ask Chatgpt that you want to continue from this conversation and it will do. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.